Let's quickly connect with Kapil Agarwal, Joint MD at UFO Movies. Good morning, Kapil. The numbers have been weak this time around. What has actually not worked for the company?
No, it is just the ad revenue. We have seen the degrowth of 28% in the ad revenue.
Right.
The major reason has been the slowdown in the ad revenue from the government. Because unlike other mediums, half of our advertising revenue comes from the government sources, and we have seen a degrowth of 43% in the government revenue, strangely, this quarter. So that is the main reason, of course, coupled with a high base last year and some impact of GST on the corporate revenue, but major reason has been the degrowth in the government revenue last quarter.
Right. So overall, Kapil, what's the expectation going ahead? Because if I talk about ad revenues of key cinema operators in India, and if I compile the FY17 revenue, after PVR, UFO Movies is the second largest in terms of where ad revenue is concerned, which is then followed by Inox and Cube. With UFO and Cube put together as well, you do surpass PVR's ad revenues as well. With all of this said and done, what's the expectation then looking like for FY18?
FY18, I think it is too short a period for the combined revenue to come into effect, because the merger will be cleared only by the middle of next year. That's what the expectation is. And it is only after that that we can start taking full advantage of the combined network of, having a reach in 2,500 odd cities and towns. Then our combined network will be everywhere. So, but we have to wait for that. Right now, these are two individual networks, and we are pushing our ad revenue in our own right, which is, as it is, 1,500 plus towns and cities. And as I said, absolutely everything is on track except the government revenue, which slowed down last quarter and partly this quarter. Once that comes back on track, and some good content, because the content also has been missing in last quarter as well as this quarter, and deferment of some content. So these factors being correct, I think we should be back on track.
Right. And overall, Kapil, what are the key synergies that you're looking at between Cube and UFO?
The major reason of our combining the network has been the advertising revenue. And because what was happening was that whenever we went to the advertisers, if they wanted good screens in the south, we didn't have them. If when Q went and they wanted some good screens in the north, they didn't have this. So that's where we both the management sat down together, that why don't we combine the network, and we can actually provide the end-to-end network to the advertisers. And you'll be surprised, there are 2,000 odd multiplex screens in the combined network once it is combined, and there is another close to 2,000 screens which are the top single screens. So actually this will compare, or rather surpass any of the multiplex, any individual multiplex network with 4,000 good screens out of 7,300 combined screens. So the major reason has been advertising, and I think we will expect a substantial jump in the advertising revenue by providing complete end-to-end solution to the clients.
Right. Kapil, for UFO, 79% of your revenues come from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. But post the integration with Cube, do we see that mix changing? Because, yes, if you see ad revenues from Tier 1 cities is way higher as compared to Tier 2, Tier 3.
As I said that, so our network, so if you look at the multiplex network, it is mainly in metros and some network in Tier 1 cities, and they are completely absent in Tier 2 and Tier 3. That is where our Tier 2 and Tier 3 always got highlighted, because we were the only people present there. But if you look at our network in metros, is going to be larger than any single multiplex chains. Our network is going to pip the network of any multiplex chain in Tier 1, much larger than that, and complete network end-to-end in Tier 2 and Tier 3. So actually our revenue comes from the entire chain, but as I said, always tier 2 and tier 3 gets highlighted because the multiplexes are absent there, and that is where only multiplexes get talked about.
Right. All right, Kapil.
So our
Pleasure.
network is across, like I said, 4,000
That's right.
multiplex complex screens and top single screens.